Hi there, my name's Trista, and I'm an independent consultant with 31 Gifts, and today I'm going to show you how to navigate your back office. So once you go on to 31today.com and sign in and click under Virtual Office, it will bring you to this screen. And on this main screen, you're going to see the catalog, the current catalog that links out to an issue link. And then below that, you're going to see all of the announcements that 31 has recently given us, along with the date. On the right hand side, it's going to show you all of your current information, your consultant's ID, your last order date, and then it's also going to show you your statistics for the last couple of months. And then below that, it is going to show you your current incentives that you're working towards or have earned. The next tab is going to be your profile tab, and this is where you're going to manage your website information, change your website name, change your commission options. Also, you can store your credit card to make it easier to order your business supplies. And you're also going to change any kind of address information, your phone number, anything that you need to do is under that tab. The next tab is your subscription tab, which is going to show you your current subscriptions. You can change them, modify, or cancel your website and your customer email that 31 sends out for you automatically. You can also sign up for an automatic ship of your quarterly seasonal guides that 31 offers us. And then underneath the Parties tab, this is where you're going to set up all of your parties. You're going to also be able to see what current parties you have and adjust them inside of that. You can click on each one and it brings up theirs. Underneath the Orders tab, this is going to show you what orders are currently open. And this is where you're going to create your own orders or enter retail orders for customers. You can also enter party orders for customers too. It gives you that option. This is also where you're going to order for your 40% discount. It's called Marketplace. The next tab over there is the order history. This is where you're going to see your past orders or the parties that have closed. And then after that, there's the returns and missing items tab, and this is where you're going to be able to create a return order for a customer if they also received or didn't receive an item that they had ordered. You go through that tab. The next tab is the Incentive tab, which is going to show you the incentives that you're currently working towards, what you have available, and what your past ones are. The next tab is your Contact tab. I'm not going to go on here because it has some personal information, but you go under your contacts to add new contacts, to manage the ones that you already have, and to email. You can send an email personally, but it would be on 31's behalf, or under 31. You can also do follow-ups for your customers, your recruit leads, your hostess party leads. You go under that tab. And the last tab that I want to talk about is the Reports tab. This is where you're going to manage any kind of gift certificates that you have or you need to buy. The next one is the Commissions, which shows you your history of your commissions and your rebates that you've earned. It's also going to show you your downlines, which if you're just starting out, you may not have any downline to you, but that's where you will eventually go. And then your balance and your advanced order history. And that is your basics of your back office. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Bye.